BNB, or rather Binance Coin, was originally launched as an Ethereum ERC20 utility token in July of 2017, but it has come a mighty long way since then, with it now being a crucial component of one of crypto's biggest ecosystems. Let's jump in quickly and find out more about BNB and how the Binance project as a whole is doing to date. Launched in April 2019, Binance Chain was the project's first custom-built blockchain, helping the Binance exchange to move away from Ethereum and achieve faster trading and transaction times. And at the same time, it also allowed Binance to build its first decentralized exchange, where a limited amount of coins can be traded from non-custodial wallets. Then in September 2020 came the Binance Smart Chain, a parallel blockchain that is compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine, or what those in the know call EVMs, allowing BSC to support Ethereum-based applications. This compatibility opened the door for dApps and DeFi projects on the Binance Chain. As if these parallel blockchains weren't confusing enough, Binance Smart Chain was later rebranded to BNB Chain to reflect the fact that the BNB token is the cornerstone of the ecosystem. The Binance Launchpad is as popular as ever, allowing Binance users to lock up coins and support new Binance-backed crypto projects in the exchange for rewards in the project's native token. One of the most hyped launch pool projects of the moment is Hamster Kombat, where players have to manage a crypto exchange and grow it by completing tasks and making strategic partnerships. Sound familiar? BNB Greenfield is a cross-chain data storage solution on Binance that leverages BNB micropayments to offer a more efficient and cost-effective way to store and manage data. It boasts high-speed uploads and downloads and decentralized storage for extra security. And in August of 2024, Binance launched a new cross-chain bridge in tandem with interoperability expert Celer, Stargate Finance, and deBridge, with the stated aim of increasing the flow of stablecoins into the crypto ecosystem. With millions of users globally, Binance's user base is still a driving force of demand for BNB tokens. And when you match this with BNB's built-in burn mechanism, which has burnt over a quarter of the total supply to date, it tells us that BNB is still a crypto force to be reckoned with. The old BNB beacon chain will be sunsetted in October of 2024, which means if you have any assets on the old beacon chain, you'll need to move them to the BNB Smart Chain. This is quick and easy to do in your Exodus wallet. Open your BNB wallet and select Migrate to BNB Smart Chain. Simple as that. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please give a like and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more great crypto videos from Exodus.